Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. The new channel, my second upload. And today we bought one of these. It looks like it's a USB to Ethernet to female USB. And why I bought this was for two reasons. And that was to test if we're able to connect this to our phone via USB and plug this into our console and get Ethernet out of it. Now I'm going to plug this in right now. As you see, we got two. And now we have this. Yep. And I have it connected to my phone already. So we're going to plug this in directly to the back. So it's in all the way. This thing is in too. And now, of course, pretty long. So now, here we are. And we're gonna try and see if this works. Yeah, I think it would say, what's it called, NAT? Yeah, I think it would say Ethernet right here on the side. So we're gonna just test the internet. So this is what happened. So now we will just go to our settings, and I'm gonna attempt to turn on USB tethering and see if this works. Alright, so we're gonna go to our mobile hotspot, and with this, we are not gonna turn on hotspot. We're gonna see, as you can see, is USB tethering. We're gonna see if it turns on. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna test the network connection again, and as you can see, it's not glowing. But so it's not going, as you can see, but it's reading that it's working. Soon we're gonna go to our settings, and to make sure that this works, we're gonna go to our developer options, and we're gonna find our default USB configuration, and we're not gonna. It's gonna automatically be on transfer files or media files, and then we're gonna put on RNDIS USB Ethernet. And as you can see, mine was already on that, and it's still not working. So that's what happens when you buy things